Hello, this is Richard Collins in Oklahoma City. Perhaps you have a Xerox copier, VersaLink B605, and there's several others very similar to this one, and you're getting some lines or you're getting some copies that are not very good, okay? You're going to go ahead and open up the machine, and you're going to see this tool right here, okay? This is help clean so you get a part so you get a better copy. So you're going to remove the toner cartridge. Now on this particular model, you just grab it and pull it straight out. We're going to set that aside. And then the drum, you're going to grab it right here with the handle and pull it out. Okay, now this tool is right here. Okay, and you're going to reach back up in here. And you're going to go back and forth, and you're going to clean. You can see it back here. Okay, that should give you a better copy. All right, then we're going to put the drum back in. We're going to put the toner back in. Close it up, and that should help you get a better quality copy with your VersaLink B605, and that's what this little tool is for. So if you need more information about Xerox copiers, go ahead and give me a call at 405-947-6349, because I can help you out on many different models of the Xerox.